Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their body sculpting massager. You can see this is the PL669 Pro. Full body massage, vibration massage, speed adjust, easy to use. Placeable massage head covers that are cloth. Sticker here, nothing else really around the box besides body sculpting massager. So let's see what comes in here. Wow, very nice. So we have user's manual telling you how to use it. We have 3 extra cloth heads, 2 orange, a white, and 2 blue. And then there's also another white on the device. And then here's the actual body massager. And well, that's it for the box. So nice length power cable here, and looks pretty comfortable to hold in the hand. Got an easy on and off switch. And then these are just easily replaceable. They just peel right off, and then you can slide a new one on here. So you get 6 in total, as well as your body sculpting massager. So I'll do it for this body sculpting massager unboxing. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.